Hello, hello. Hi, everyone. Welcome. So I'm just going to apologize ahead of time for the light. The sun's going down and it's putting some weird light on my station here. So hopefully it won't be too bad. Okay, so first, I thought that I would remind you about the Stampin' Anonymous tutorials. February 2020, you can purchase this for $9.95. There's 6 awesome tutorials, 3D and fun folds. Or you can get it free with any size order. So you place any size order with me, you'll get this free. The other thing I want to remind you about is the coordination product release. There are still items available for the coordination product release, and one of the things that I'm going to be using tonight are the little Ladybug dies. Those go with the little Ladybug stamp set, which you can only get for free with a $300 order or a party. So if you are interested in getting that set, but you don't want to place a $300 order, let me know, and maybe you and some friends could put orders in together and you can earn this set for free. So just contact me if you're interested in getting this set, but you're not sure how to go about getting it. Okay, I wanted to really quick show you before we make our project. I got this birthday card in the mail. This is from, I think it's Rhonda. Yep, Rhonda Mullins. Super cute. I love this little fairy gal with the calligraphy pen. So I thought this was really fun. I got this thank you card, and somebody took a lot of love and care fussy cutting these birds out on this branch, and that person was Linda Brady. This is a really cute card. This was a thank you card I got from the Mary Kay girl that I use. She is actually the daughter-in-law of a fellow demonstrator. And she sends thank you cards, and I thought that was so nice. So if you need a Mary Kay person, let me know. I can hook you up with her. And then this one I thought was really beautiful. And this one is from Karen Fodder. She is a customer, and I sent her a stamp set that she had earned free. So this was from her. So anyway, I just wanted to show you my happy mail. Okay, let's make this project. So, full disclosure, I've already stamped and colored the Ladybug, but we could do another one if you guys want to. So I've got these little tiny treat boxes here. This is in the annual catalog. You can get them there. I love these little treat boxes. They make fantastic treat boxes. But yeah, I really like these. So I'm just going to fold it in and then fold this tab in to finish it off. And so then that finishes it. And these boxes are food safe. I double checked that. So I've got a bag of Skittles here, and I'm just going to load this guy up with Skittles since it's food safe, and I haven't stuck my hands all down inside there. And honestly, this box is super cute, full of Skittles with nothing done to it. I mean, there's just something about it I really love. Okay, so we're going to decorate it with, I've got Brights. This is the Brights Designer Series paper. And it is cut at, I think it's 1.5 inches. So this is a 1.5 inch by 6, let me double check. Yeah. 1.5 inch by 6 strip of the Brights Granny Apple Green DSP. And I just needed to add another little bit onto it. This is 3 inches. Let me make sure I'm right. Yep, 3.5 inches that I've added on. And then I just don't want my seam to, I don't want a seam to be like showing near the front. So I'm actually going to line this seam up here because I'm going to cover it. So we'll line that one up there, and then we're going to pinch the DSP around. And I'm not too concerned about seams showing because honestly, nobody but us looks at that kind of stuff. I know, aren't Skittles the best? Tracy says, yum, she loves it already. Skittles are so yummy. Do you have Skittles in Australia? I know that we have different candies. So, I don't know if you have Skittles. You must if you know that they're yummy. Hi, Amy. Okay, so we're going to put this back over the front. And we're going to wrap this guy around. And seal it. Done. Oh, they're your favorite. Yay. Okay, so then we've got the Ladybug who's already cut and colored. I cut her out using the little Ladybug dies. You can purchase those for $29. But again, you obviously need the stamp set. So if you don't have the stamp set, then that is an option to get it. So we're going to put her there. And then I want to do a little bit of decorating, and we're going to do a fun trick. So let me grab a piece of paper here. These are die cuts from the little Ladybug dies. So they cut out this little flower. I cut it in pineapple punch, and this is cut in granny apple green. And I'm going to take my Daffodil Delight ink and a sponge dauber. And I'm just going to go around the edges and darken up the edges of this die cut. Just to kind of give it a little bit more definition and make it stand out, kind of. There we go. And then we're going to do the same thing with the stem and leaves using granny apple green and a sponge dauber. These sponge daubers are available in the annual catalog, and they are a lot of fun for doing little tricks like this. Okay, and I don't know if you can, how well you can see, but you can see how much more like definition they give to the project. Okay, so there's those pieces. So we're going to add this guy on using Tombow glue. Just like that. Kind of just sticking out behind the Ladybug. And then the flower will go on with a dimensional. And then the last step is adding a little sentiment. So I decided to use this little banner from the sale. Oh, I can't remember the name of them. Come Sail Away dies. Set sail dies. You guys will know. Let me show you the set of dies, and then you'll be able to tell me what they are. Why can't I ever remember stuff like that? I don't know. Here they are. So here's the dies. And it's this little die right here. And I'm going to use my Poppy Parade ink. And let's get this adorable stamp set out. And we are going to use the Hey Lady sentiment. Alrighty. I'm going to stamp this sentiment right here. Now, when I originally got this banner out, my plan was to use it just how you see it. I was going to use the banner, the full banner, but as you can see, I'll show you, it really takes up way too much real estate. So the cool thing about this banner, I want to make sure you can see this. See right there where it's embossed? I just took my paper snips. Whoops. Good grief. And I trimmed off each end of this banner, and it worked perfectly. And then I still had the cute little stitched edge on this tiny guy. Sorry, there we go. So I will put it right here, and then you can see it doesn't take up nearly as much real estate. I'm actually gonna move this ladybug a little bit. Let's see if I can. Ooh. Oh no. I'm gonna move her up just a smidge. And then I'll add this. And it will cover up my little mishap, and we're good to go. Isn't that cute? So cute and so fun. Love the colors. I'm just reading back through your guys' comments to see if there's anything I missed, any questions. I don't see any questions. I didn't miss any. Oh, studio is going very well. There will be updates and info soon. But chaos has ensued, so you know how that is. Okay. So that's it, guys. That's all I have for you. It's kind of a quick video tonight. I don't have a really crazy project, but I loved these two little tips, trimming down this little sentiment strip and then adding the ink on the edges of these dies. It's a really great way to kind of get more out of your dies. Oh, so Deborah is asking how Susie is. Susie is my niece, and my sister has not been able to work the last couple of days because her daughter has been sick with the stomach flu. So Susie is doing well. She couldn't go to school again today because the school has a policy of 24 hours with no vomiting before you can come back to school. So she wasn't at school today, but she will be tomorrow. So maybe Katie will come in tomorrow. We'll see. Sister hopefully will be able to come back to work tomorrow. But one of the things I was working feverishly on is getting all of my Love and Stampin' monthly kits out in the mail, and I managed to do it. So she might just be off tomorrow too and have the week off. All right. I thank you all so much for being here. I will catch you in the next Facebook Live next Wednesday at 5. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.